Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some crazy new leaks for Samsung Galaxy S22 series, which include pricing, processor and the front design. Also, we have Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition marketing material leaks which give us a best look of the device yet. But before talking about that, we have the pricing leak for the Galaxy S22 series, and looking at that, it's not good news. Well, according to Tipster Galaxy, the pricing for the Galaxy S22 series will be increased by $100. According to him, we have a base S22 launch price would be around $849. S22 Plus will be at $1049, and the most expensive of all is the S22 Ultra, which is around at $1,300. Honestly guys, it's going to be super expensive, but bear in mind, according to the source, that this is the pricing for the 256GB of model, as Samsung is considering to launch the minimum base storage for all the Galaxy Samsung S22 series at 256GB of storage for all models. Honestly, I think that it's expensive considering it's coming with the same camera and battery along with the display size as the last years. So having a pricing of this much is going to be not great from Samsung. Anyway guys, what do you think about this new pricing leak? Moving forward, we have some brand new leak for the Galaxy S22 processor. According to a reliable source, Ice Universe, the Snapdragon 898 is expected to be better than the Exynos both in performance and energy efficiency. Ice Universe also says that in order to beat the Snapdragon 898, Exynos processor must be 50% faster in terms of GPU as the Exynos 2100. But that is seemingly not the case if the leak from the Tron is going to be believed. He claims that compared to the Exynos 2100, the Exynos 2200 GPU offers up to 20% better sustainable performance and 34% better peak performance. But considering that we are 2 months away, so I honestly think that take these leaks as a pinch of salt. Well, moving forward, the Galaxy S22 series screen protector has been leaked from credible source Ice Universe. According to the screen protector images that has been leaked, showcase that the S22 Ultra is the device which is going to be more angular than the curved corners of the S22 and S22 Plus. Well, looking at the screen protector of the S22 Ultra, its design is looking similar to the Note devices, and honestly this is going to be the design which will help out in order to bring the S Pen inside the device. So definitely it's look like that we are not seeing the S22 Ultra, rather than that it's going to be the same Note 22 Ultra that is going to be released. Well, the last story of today is regarding the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, which marketing material give us our best look yet at the phone. Well, basically this marketing material not only showcase the S21 FE but also the Watch 4 and the Buds 2, which are expected to be coming at the same event. One of the important thing that is going to be notable of the S21 Fan Edition, that it's going to be coming with two different processor. One is going to be Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and the Exynos 2100 variant, and they will be available in up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. So guys, honestly I think that this is going to be the device that is going to be looking forward if you wanted to have a budget level device that can perform even better in terms of all the gaming and other tasks. And you guys, I'm super excited about the S22 series. So guys, what do you think about this new pricing and the processor which are coming inside? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.